Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. So I received this hair from Eayon Hair Company. I've worked with this company a lot, you guys. Like, I love this company. Okay, so they sent me their water, Burmese, Kelly, lightweight, crochet human hair, and they sent me 5 packs of hair, and this is their 18 inches. Okay, yeah. So according to their website, it says 1 pack consists of 98 to 100 strands. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing this hair, you guys. So yeah, they call this miracle knots kind of bundle. So you can see there's a thread that is in between. This is what you'll be using to install your crochet braids. So I've done this off camera. I didn't want to bore you guys. Like, I've done loads of crochet braid installs, like a lot. Like, if you see on my channel, I should have like a playlist. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing these on my head. So I was using 2 strands of hair per braid. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing this hair, you guys. Look at the hair, you guys. The curls are just gorgeous. When I saw this hair, I was like, how is this gonna fit onto my head? Like, how is this gonna be enough for the whole head install? But I was surprised. So this video is very self-explanatory, guys. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. So this hairstyle did take me a long time to do, okay guys, like it did take me long because yeah, I ain't getting any younger anyways. So this was the following morning. I just couldn't do it the whole day, like literally I just couldn't. So yeah, this is the following morning and I did my makeup. As you can see, this hair is very lightweight, you guys, like very lightweight. And I did use 4 packs of this hair, you guys. So they sent me 5 packs, but I only used 4 packs because I felt like it was enough for my head. Okay, I think if you want it fuller or more, you can actually go ahead and install the whole 5 packs, but I only use 4. So I'm just using my lower body mousse just to define the curls a little bit more. And as you can see, you guys, this hair detangles very, very easily. Like literally the brush was just gliding through, like no tangling at all whatsoever. I really love that this is like real human hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue styling my hair. So this is the finished look, you guys. Look at that, guys. I think it is full enough, like 4 packs. I think that was good enough. Yeah, I really loved this working with this hair, you guys. Like I had missed doing braids on my head. Like I'm just wearing wigs these days or just leaving my hair as it is. Like I can't be bothered much. But yeah, I really loved styling this hair, you guys. Obviously the shading was very, very minimal, and I just loved the hair quality, you guys. This hair is so soft, you guys, like literally so soft, and I just love the curls. So yeah, I did do quite a number of hairstyles for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will definitely leave Eayon Hair Company's details in the description box down below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.